Hello and welcome to my Submagic AI video editing tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Submagic AI to edit your short form videos. I'm gonna cover everything step by step, so watch this video till the end. By the way, if you want to try Submagic AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then you can use the link given in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you can get your Submagic AI free account without giving your credit card detail. Okay, and suppose if you want to upgrade to any of Submagic AI paid plan, then you can use my coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% discount in any Submagic AI plan. So that free trial link and that special coupon code are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So when you will create your Submagic AI free account using the link given in the video description and log into your account, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here, as you can see, there are lots of features like generating captions, AI auto edits, magic clips and all these things. So to edit your video, you just need to go to this generate caption option which is showing here. Just click on it and here you just need to upload your video file which you want to edit with Submagic AI. I have already uploaded a sample video file in my Submagic account. So let me click on edit icon from here and here is the video. So let me play this video so that you can understand how it is looking without any editing. Okay, so let me play this clip. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight any important word if you want, and even so as you can see, this video is looking boring. There is no caption and anything. So now let me show you how you can edit this video in Submagic AI. As you can see, this video is looking very boring. There is no captions, there is no zoom effect, and there is no sound effect, and there is nothing in this video. Okay, so first let me show you how you can add attractive captions in your video. For this, you just need to enable this AI caption from here. Just enable it and click on this style option. When you will click on it, then as you can see, it comes with lots of amazing caption styles. You can use Alex Hermosi type caption, you can use Ali Abdal type caption, you can use Mr. Beast type caption, okay, and also you can use Iman Ghazi type caption, and there are lots of caption style available. So let's say I want to use this Kelly 2 style, and now let me play this clip again. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this. So as you can see, now this video is looking much better. Okay, and you know what is the best part about Submagic AI? You can drag and drop this caption anywhere you want. You can increase and decrease the size of the captions like this. You can customize everything according to your requirement. And also let me show you, if you want to change the font color, main color, second color or third color, then you can also customize it from here, as you can see. And if you want to further customize it, and if you want more customization, then you can change the font family from here. You can change the font weight, text case, and also there are shadow option. You can change the shadow, you can add emojis if you want, you can add animations, and there are lots of amazing customization options available here. Okay, so in this way you can select any of this template and you can further customize it to match it to your brand or your requirement. Okay, and let's click on back button. So far we have added animated captions in our video. So now let me show you one more thing. If you will go to captions tab, then you can check your subtitle from here. Suppose if you have said anything wrong in your video, like suppose you have said captain and it has written caption, then you can fix it from here. Okay, so in this way you can edit your subtitle from here. Next is edit scene option. Suppose if you want to add b-roll in your video to make your video more attractive, then you can add b-roll by going to scene option. Just go to scene option, and let's say in the first line I want to add a b-roll. First line is creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can. So in this line I'm talking about video editing indirectly. So let's click on plus icon, let's click on b-roll, and as you can see, it has automatically understand that I am talking about video editing in this particular line. So it has automatically searched video editing screen, and personally I like this particular one. So what I will do, I will select this and it will add this footage, b-roll footage in my video. Okay, so as you can see, it has added this b-roll footage here. So let me play the same clip again and see the difference. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. So as you can see now, this video is looking much better than before. And let me show you one more thing. If you want to change the b-roll layout, then you can go to the b-roll layout option and you can select any of this b-roll option from here. So I wanna use this split option. It looks very good. So now let me play the same clip again with different b-roll layout. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. So as you can see now, it is looking more attractive. So in this way you can add b-roll, and suppose if you want to add any sound effect in your video, then also you can add sound effect. Like let me search something like money. So I'm gonna use this particular coin drop type of music just for demo purpose. So let me add it, and now let me play the same clip again. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop. So in this way you can add sound effect and all these things in your video. Similarly, you can add images, zoom effect, and all these things in your video from here. Okay, next is remove silence option. Suppose if you have some awkward silences in your video, then you can remove awkward silences in just one click using this option. Next is AI auto zoom. So as you can see, there is no zoom effect in my video. So let me play this. People stop scrolling. With Submagic AI you can upload your, so there is no zoom effect. So let me click on AI auto zoom option, and now let me play the same clip again. Can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI you can, so as you can see, it has added some zoom effect in my video. So now it is looking more attractive. Similarly, you can use AI auto b-roll option. Suppose if you don't want to add b-roll manually, then you can use this AI auto b-roll option, but I don't recommend you to use AI auto b-roll option because it will add some random b-roll that you don't want in your video. Okay, so I will highly recommend you to go to edit scene option and add the b-roll manually if you want. Next, let me show you. It comes with some AI tools option which will add AI hook title in your video. Suppose if your audio is not good, then also you can use this clean audio feature to make your normal audio sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. Okay, next is remove bad text. Suppose if you have said something again and again by mistake, then it will remove the bad text from your video if you will enable this option. Last one is correct eye contact. This is suppose if you are not looking towards the camera, and if you are recording your video by reading the script like this, and if you are looking somewhere else, then it will automatically fix your eye position so that it will look like you are always looking towards the camera. Okay, so this is another cool feature I can say. So in this way you can use all these features to edit your video. And suppose if you have said something wrong in your video, and if you want to edit your video, then you can go to this trim video option, which will give you text based editing option. Here you can select any text you want to remove from your video, and you can click on remove from selection option, and this line will be removed from your video. So you can edit your video using trim video option as well. And suppose if you want to generate thumbnail for this particular video, then you can go to AI thumbnail option and you can create AI thumbnail for your video. So let me show you. If I will select it, then I can select any layout option from here. Suppose I want this particular style, so let's click on generate thumbnail, and it will analyze the template image and it will generate the thumbnail for me for my short video. So as you can see, Submagic AI add caption, it has generated this amazing thumbnail for my short form video. Okay, as you can see, it is looking just amazing. It has generated two images for me. Both are looking good. First one is looking better, I can say. So in this way you can use thumb magic of Submagic AI to generate thumbnail for your short form video. Okay, I wanna remind you once again that if you want to test Submagic AI absolutely free without giving your credit card details, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. Just go and check it out and get your Submagic AI free account without giving your credit card detail. And suppose if you want to upgrade to any of Submagic AI paid plan, then you can use my coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% discount in any Submagic AI plan. So this is my way of saying thank you for using my affiliate link for using Submagic AI. So I hope now you understood how to edit your videos using Submagic AI. If you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found my Submagic AI video editing tutorial 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.